stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Good morning, guys. Morning. How you guys doing today? Alright? Me. We okay. We alright. We're getting there, alright? We're getting there. So, on today's agenda, I am getting my... So, today's the first time that I'm going to be getting a wax, okay? I'm getting my underarm, and I'm getting, you know. So, I'm nervous. I'm Nana tips. And I'm nervous. Bad. Really, really bad. I don't know if I'm ready. I'm really ready for it, but we're going to go and we're going to woman up. Yeah. I'm just thinking about all the things I'm probably going to go through. And I'm really not prepared. A friend of mine said, Chevy, I have 2 pitney, alright, huh? What you say? What you mean? Pain is pain. Okay? I endured having the 2 children. That don't mean I want to go through anything more. So differently from that. So today is we're doing that today. Then tomorrow lately I have been really interested in working out. I'm working out now with my husband, and also I am stretching. Some people call it yoga. I call it stretching. Yeah, it's stretching for me. That's it. Stretching. So I'm stretching. So I'm going to meet a girl tomorrow. Her name is Stephanie. And just making sure that I am aligned, I'm doing the stretches properly, my body's in the proper alignment, so that even if I'm not with her, when I'm home, I can, do it on my own. And I can see changes from what I've been doing for the past couple months. I can see where I'm a lot looser in my hips and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing. So hopefully we can get that content for you guys tomorrow. So I look forward to that tomorrow. As of right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to make a smoothie. So I'm working and I'm going to make a smoothie right now. I'm trying to maintain eating healthy, eating clean. So no junk. So when I would usually eat my kids them snacks, nope, can't do that. Ooh, can't do that. So yeah, let's make a smoothie. Pray for me, cause we need some. Welcome, old man. Somebody come, old man. They're gonna need somebody for old man. When I wanna come with me, wanna come? Alright, come. So you guys won't believe who I was just introduced to. My husband video called me and he's like, "Babe, I have a friend on the line for you, or a friend that you're gonna meet." I said, "A friend?" I was like, "Who?" So he handed the phone to the person, and the person was Tyreek from Poa, aka Michael Rainey JR. And I'm like, "Oh my gosh!" I'm joking. I screamed. I mean, and let me tell you, I moved so quickly, so swiftly to capture it. Like, as he got on the phone, I just scrolled, go ahead, screen record, and I got it so quickly. But anyways, I was just like, "Hi, nice to meet you, and welcome back to Jamaica." Because if you guys don't know, he is I think he is a born Jamaican. If he's not a born Jamaican, his parents His family is Jamaican, so yeah. So yeah, I'll put a little snippet in there for you guys. And he was talking to me. Listen, he can't talk to me. Michael Rainey JR said hi to me. I know he say hi to people like on a daily basis, but I have it in my phone. Like, I don't usually fangirl, but I had to get that. I had to get it because I mean, this doesn't happen quite often, and I don't really care for celebrities like that. But when you meet them, you meet them. That's just the truth. We're human beings. When you meet them, you meet them. So you're just like, hi. So I could just imagine the conversation that he was there having with my husband. I can't wait till my husband come home so I can say, so what were you guys talking about? But the mere fact that he's going about his business and then you stop him to Ray, I didn't want to intrude on his day. So even though he gave me that moment, that was it for me. I wasn't like I wanted to stay on the phone with him or nothing like that. Just a quick hi, and that's it. But after I came off the phone with him, he and my husband were still having a conversation. I told my husband, I was like, listen, I love you. I love you. And then he put Michael back on the phone and he was like, babe, what did you just say? And I was like, I love you. And Michael was laughing. So yeah. Edged core memory. Yeah. Yeah, my husband did that. He did that. That he gave me that core memory. Thanks, babe. I really appreciate it.
What you say? Thank you, I appreciate it. Remember, say it again. Of course, of course. Good to see you. Thank you.
Mighty God. Oh my gosh.
Very hard. Bearable. Oh, yo, I'm gonna tell you how you know. I'm gonna tell you
when you're at theater,
yeah.
we not even know, honestly. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's manageable. Alright, we're good. Alright, I'm never so bad.
We get infected.
Alright, not so bad. Not so bad. Yeah.
Alright, ready? Take a deep
Wait, this one the June said they got leak, but June not even wait. That was one of the lips?
Yeah, one of the lips, man.
Okay.
You not bad?
No, not bad.
Alright. Not bad.
It's managed.
Yeah.
For me, it's manageable.
Tell you all the girl is them just extra.
Them extra man.
So my wife is a big fan. I'm the love. So she just say hi. I say sure, put her on. You see me? So that's a come just call it.
Whenever I eat through the screen recording,
I say sure, put her on. You see me? So I just say hi. I say trust me, she watch all of the boats for it. So trust me, she's a big fan.
Big.
So that's why I'm just say hi.
Really,
But if for me, no, really something.
but even if me didn't see him in person, I would have just been like, oh, hi, Michael. And that's it. I wouldn't have nothing else.
Hello, Abuan. I tell you, more call him, no. So I'm not call the name.
But
Like, remember something.
no, but I know that that's why me call you and ask you, what you call him?
Look, I remember one time I saw one video like him that said him and lie with everybody.
But everybody calling him Tyree because that's not his name.
You see me? So, because I remember that, I said, oh, so I don't know no brother your name.
So don't bother call him.
Me a Jamaica, when you use,
we're not calling by them name. We call them by who you are, who we know brother, you as.
Are you? Family, General, Dan. Yeah, man, I done this.
Hey, gosh.
Jamaica, this you know if you address people by them name.
Sicky.
Yeah, man. Yes. You have to know your name.
Teach.
Yeah, man, you done this. And that's it.
But I really appreciate it, baby. You made my day. That made my day.
So that make a day, man. So that's something great, you know. I'm telling somebody that I mash up the party, you know. They mash up the party. And like him, I walk, come to him, carry him, and go back in there at the same hour. I said, oh, come with hungry, you know. I said, oh, we have the party in my hand same way. And him same way. And say, yo, General, I want to talk to you. No, I beg you a minute here. You come over. Say, I need to do me a favor. I say, yeah, man, sure. I say, yo, White is a big fan. Just want to say hi. He say, put her on.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm literally like rushing now. So today is my stretching day, stretching class, whatever. So I've been stretching on my own for the past few months, and as I mentioned before, I just want to meet with someone who can help me to align my my body better, because I don't feel like I'm aligning it better, but I can see changes. So fresh out the shower, I'm ready. It is 1:34. I am ready to go. I just like to moisturize my face. And yeah, the boys are ready. I'm gonna try to see if I can get them to have something to eat. Let's moisturize this face and these lips and pack the bag for the day for the boys, and then we're out of here. I hear my son outside mocking me. Hi guys. But also because my son is literally here mocking me, moisturizing my face and everything. No, don't touch. You guys, both of you can't fit up here. AJ, you can't fit up here too. Right, so what I plan for today is just like an introductory kind of thing, like to walk you through the different poses and then warm up, and then when we're done warming up we can try to attend split. I'm not gonna do it today, but you just getting you to like the right alignment for it, so you can practice at home. Alright, no problem. That's fine. Alright, so we're gonna start in tabletop. And we're gonna come into cat cow. So cat cow is basically articulating your spine slowly. So you're gonna drop your belly and tilt your hips upwards towards the sky and open up to the chest. So you're bringing your shoulders back as well. Nice. Inhale and exhale. Curve the spine and bring your belly button towards the back of your spine to drop your head and round through your shoulders. Nice stretch there. Repeat that. Drop your belly. Inhale and exhale. Good job.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Alright, so this is good, but your girl has a bad habit of not eating, right? It's a habit that I need to break, I need to rebuke, I need to bind, I need to stop. So I'm not at the best place right now. So when I do this again, I need to make sure I had a good meal. I ate from morning up to the point of me coming, because whenever I don't eat, it's not good for me.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the
Hey guys, so I'm home now. Stretching with Steph was really great. Enjoyed my time a lot. Um, I just have to make sure that when I go back next time that my energy, that I make sure to sort out whatever I need to sort out so that my energy is up there so that we can do some like really, really challenging stretches and whatever the case is. Because I had all intention to be splitting down the place and just doing some stuff, but that didn't work out. And also she just wanted to see where I was with my stretches, but because my energy wasn't really there today, so we decided to just go easy and simple. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye.